Okay, so now we're going to move on to examples 3 and 4 with multiple variables. Now, unlike 1 and 2, you're going to see some exponents that are odd here. Okay, so we're going to go through using our trick, can we divide by 2? But now since some of these are even, some of these are odd, I'm going to have a little trick here. Okay, this one is even. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. Because that one's even, I'm going to cross it off. We know that one's done. There's got no remainder. Now, 7 divided by 2 is 3, but there's a remainder. So I'm going to write y to the third, and I'm just going to circle the y so I remember to write a y under the square root because there's a remainder with that piece. Okay, 5 divided by 2 is 2. There's going to be a remainder for that piece, so I'm going to circle. And now whatever variables I circled, I'm going to write underneath my square root. Now if you think about that, that should make sense because it's just like what we did. If we had y to the 7th, you would divide it by 2, which you get 3, remainder of 1. Z to the 5th, if this was strictly the problem, the square root is z to the 5th, we do 5 divided by 2, remainder of 1. So let's move to example 4. Okay, so 13 divided by 2 is 7. That does not go in evenly, so there's going to be a remainder with the x. 20 divided by 2 is 10. There's no remainder, that piece is gone. 9 divided by 2 is 4. That's odd, there's going to be a remainder. The remainder is always 1, so whatever's circled, the x and the z, I'm going to write underneath my square root. Realize I didn't circle this answer either.